Hello everyone, this is this is a Walmart bag. Let's see what I got. Marvel Spider-Man walkie talkies. Static free extended range. Easy push to talk button. 3+6 from E-Kitcher's bag. Antennas, speakers, microphone, talk button, on-off switch. Works up to 500 feet under ideal conditions. Easy push to talk button. Static free extended range. Let's open it up. And because we have to cut from here. Oh, this will work. We have to cut more. This could do anything with that packages. And here we go. Here's a pamphlet. And here's the activate your warranty now. Scan here. Fastest and simplest warranty activation. And here's two walkie-talkies out of the packaging. This one is Spider-Man and this one is Miles Morales. They look different. And we need batteries to work. Let's start with Spider-Man. I know that Spider-Man has no batteries. Same with Miles Morales. That's funny, right? I know that's kind of the deal. Now let's get Miles Morales work. And he's the black one. So he's not really like, I don't really consider him. That's one. And that's two. Hold on a second. Come on. How do you do this? It won't even locked. Give me a second, you guys. This screwdriver won't locked. This screw won't locked. I can't get the screws to lock. That's kind of hard. I think it's broken. The screws is broken. For some reason. I can't do this by my own. Okay, let me show you how this thing works. You see my mind does it that way? This one doesn't do anything. It's just loose. The screw is loose, I guess. But mine doesn't have any ways to do that. But the screw doesn't have a loose. But the screw have loose. What do you think? Let me show you. Even when I open like that, it starts to come off. And if you do that, it locked. But mine doesn't locked. See? My mind doesn't locked. Because the spring is loose. I'm getting angry and start to cry. But we're gonna get this. Trust me. My hands is about to sore. Oh, dang it. That'll work. I can't get Miles Morales to screw it back to lock. Mine's locked, but this one doesn't locked. This is stupid. Why can't we have a stupid broken screws when they haven't do anything? Maybe we have to do it faster. See this, the spring? It doesn't do anything. It's just weird. Let me show you mine. Let's show the comparison. See how mine doesn't have a loose? This one has loose. Camera focusing. There it is. Oh, come on. Why can we have a broken toilet like that? Oh, I hate the stupid screws. They will lock. I kind of almost break the toy. This toy is... The screw is broken. There's gotta be a better way. Let's get the part 2. Let's do the part 2.